was just about to review this one for our great customer, Daniel Darby from Mount Pleasant, South Carolina. That's not far, and that's a great area. AJ and Chad killed it with this one. We got Innovates right there. That's a teaser coming to you, but right next door, this is a perfect time for a legit real deal comparison. So 2.5 inch leveled on 37s, a true legit Bubba setup, Platinum Plus at that, right next door to another diamond F-350 Platinum Plus trimmer covered edition. So this is a 3.5 inch Carly E-Venture lifted, the premier option for ride quality and capability on the Super Duty today. Custom paint, but right back here, the G500s. Definitely worth the wait, and I took good tire comparison too. 37, 13.5, 20 Toyo Open Country RT Trail, true hybrid tire to compete with the Ridge Grappler. And then right next door, the new kid on the block. I'm loving this one. 37, 12.5, 20 Toyo Open Country RT Pro. So a more hybrid mud terrain tire variant. You can see the side lugs are more aggressive. There's greater spacing between the voids there as well. But both of them have some similarities, but overall ride quality and longevity is going to be found here. Possibly, we haven't had these tires on the road long enough to truly know, but both these tires are a solid option. I love the Platinum Plus limited wheel as well. My son's actually putting these back on our limited today, going Bubba setup, but foundationally 2.5 inch coil spring leveled Fox shocks, Carly Torsen sway bar, in links, stabilizer from Fox as well, and 12.5 wides. Now, you may still have a very minute slight rub on the radius arm there, but up front, the sway bar eliminates that. Flipping here, again, dialed in, fully done up sway bar with the Carly radius arm also. You're gonna love this rear right here. You're gonna love checking this out. Got long travel, E-Venture, full progressive leaf pack, Go America, One Nation Under God, showcasing why it's the money setup, 1 of 1 diamond, and custom is greater than stock. And on the back, One Nation Under God, a little Bible verse for you too. New clothing coming out soon, y'all. Going to showcase it and rock with it. I want to rep my own brand, you know what I mean? BMC dual LED hitch bar lights. I love that. That's a great option. Darby's got them on his as well. So side lighting, rear lighting, dialed in. This applique right here is perfect. Look, we haven't showed Cash Money on his Covert Ranger. We haven't even got this on camera yet. And it's sitting right, look, Cash is rolling. Cash is rolling. Looking strong.
That's another one. He wanted to build one just like that Marsh Gray Bubba truck, minus the range hand. That's what he saw.
This your customer? This right here?
Yeah, just got done.
Tell us about him.
He came in and he saw the Marsh.
He saw the Marsh Gray.
And he said, "I want to do that exact truck without the
all but ranch hand.
Without the ranch hand." Caleb got it done. Signed up Saturday. Just got done.
Fire.
Looks good.
Carb grade money. So this is just a perfect example because we got 3.5. They're D-man, Donnie. What's up? But we got 3.5 versus 2.5. And we got different setups here. So this is really cool.
Yeah, it looks great.
I'm loving it. Hey.
Bubba setup.
Hey. Tell Cash to get back on the videos. Tell him. Come on now.
I'll make a guess.
Let's get him. Let's get him. Cash loving his Ranger. Looking great too. But I'm going to back up for you right here. Look, that applique is next level legit. I love that. So 3.5, 2.5. Man, a great example right here. I love how busy we are and how fantastic we have the ability to showcase all these different variations. So 3.5, 37, you can see mild to wild scale on that wheel combo offset slightly more outward because 12.5 versus 13.5, but again, that wheel width and offset really dictates that. We're super positive here on this one. Both are diamond Super Duty Covert editions right here at your source. Why with these? And look, Akins Ford, current #1 Ford store in the country. We're finishing strong, but all makes and models trusting us to go next level from the custom side and also service, everything is so legit. Now, Expedition also did a Covert paint package with entire combo there. That looks incredible, just like this applique. I love all the accessories on this one, all the way down through and through. And then look right here, we've got another Expedition with some custom action. Custom is greater than stock, and nobody showcases it better than us, y'all. Again, if you have any questions about these two trucks, I hope this was informational and entertaining to say the least. But ways to enhance and elevate up front, Warren winch, BMCs as well, just on the Ford emblem there, and we got BMCs there too. So the BMC boys killing it because they provide value. That's the whole point of this, y'all. Value equations. What can we add to these vehicles? Not to jack the price up, but first and foremost thought process, value. What can we do to enhance our everyday driving experience? Warren winch for confidence, but it looks great too. But these right here, got the SR street legal on the outside. These will blind you, be careful, but a great way to take up and use that space in a more adequate fashion. I love y'all so much. I believe in the power of our Heavenly Father. Every single day, we got it going on. I love you so much.